Wagwan family, welcome back to the 876 Zone TV. It's me again, Anisha, and the video that I'll be doing today is another classic from back in the day. And you know, we now waste no time on the video, you know, so when this leak, we don't know where it goes. So without further ado, guys, let's get into video and let's do this. Play.
Mr. Watkins have removed them ways. Mr. the brand new dance and you have stuck them. I will stuck them so easy. So what am I do so far? I want to cast them. And the brand new dance them stuck here run past them. So QQ, what time come first? So when them come? Dead last.
And this you say. What you gonna say, what you gonna do? What you gonna say, what you gonna do? What you gonna say, what you...
Pause, yo. You see, hey. All of the man them, you know, all who couldn't whine, you know, man. When Stucky start playing, you know, man, and you're dep on a girl, you know, man. Yo, play a tune.
Gonna do? What you gonna say, what you gonna do? I like the way you move. I like the way you groove. I like the way you set me on fire. I like the way you feel. I know that this is real. You're taking me high.
Pause. But, yo, come to think of it. When that song you drop and we see that QQ, that little pitney, a contabo, I like the way you move and groove and set kin pan fire. We say, how where that pitney come from? What you know about them you sing here? But the song did nice thing and catching, you see me? We daffy dance, you see it? Play it to you.
Higher and higher. What you gonna say, what you gonna do? 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 That one you feel up by the Q spot. Dance easy, no mad. When you agree to be glad. Cola style, body bad. Ding dan Kiva, Stacy and Taz. Richie Villa, Cricket Jet, pop off the top. Stucky to the reggae and jazz. Mad Michelle, Stucky to the...
Pause. All who can say barbecue, amen. All who say fun day, amen. All who say street dance, amen. All who say radio, amen. All who say taxi, amen. Play a tune.
Reggae and jazz, what you gonna say, what you gonna do? 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 Every man grab a girl and Snooki. Make she dip and go down and Snooki. Make she turn and fit and Snooki. Like a fight you, I take you off the bookie. Fire off DJ, I dance to the Snooki. England game and I dance to the Snooki. Up in the club, we a dance to the Snooki. It's easy. What you gonna say, what you gonna do? What you...
Boy, I tell you, this era in dancehall, this dancing era back in dancehall, man, yo, Elephant Man set the trend with the dancing rave. Me not tell no lie. And all of them dance, yo, early 2000, man. Me miss them day. Then days they when just dance tune and they really know violence thing or whatever. You understand? You just go dance and you just enjoy yourself and you just feel nice. You know the way they play tune.
Gonna say what you gonna do? What you gonna say, what you gonna do? What you gonna say, what you gonna do? I like the way you move. I like the way you groove. I like the way you set me on fire. I like the way you feel. I know that this is real. You're taking me higher and higher. What you gonna say, what you gonna do? What you gonna say, what you gonna do?
What could find this a pitney a boy man look girl? Play.
What you gonna say, what you gonna do? 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 What you gonna say, what you gonna do?
Pause, yo. As much as I dance here, the body, no man. If you need them, no good, you know, you get shake. If you can't, if you're good enough, but I try the dance here. Play.
American ladies dance, yeah. England ladies dance, Jamaican ladies dance.
Yo, boy, I tell you, this song bring back. Well, I like song name. From the Elephant Man, just feel like up on a whole roller coaster, a nostalgic vibes, brother. So there you go, guys. QQ, Stucky. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you like the vibes. And of course, suggestions are welcome. So drop it in the description. see me a chat foolishness now. Drop it in the comment section below. How description reaching at this? Boy, may I tell you, mom life, thug life. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and had fun as much as I had fun doing it and, you know, reacting to the video. Although I know the song still, but you don't know all the things that you see it. So I'll see you guys again in the next video. And once again, it's Anisha and I am out.